Sign in, sign out, log in, log out. Are they the same? Are they different? Hello and welcome to English Lessons 101. I'm your teacher Victor. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you phrasal verbs with sign. If you need an introduction to phrasal verbs, check out this lesson. You can also find the link in the description box below. It is a full lesson that introduces phrasal verbs and also will give you some tips on how to improve your vocabulary while studying phrasal verbs. And as usual, don't forget to do the test at the end of the lesson. It's very important to test your knowledge. Phrasal verbs with sign. Coming up. First, let's look at the word sign because this is what is going to help us understand phrasal verbs with sign. When we talk about the word sign, in this case the verb, we talk about signing your signature or a document. However, once you add a preposition or an adverb to the word sign, then the meaning of the word completely changes. So let's check out sign up, sign in, sign out, sign away, and sign on. Remember that at the end, I will explain the difference between sign in, sign on, log in, log out. Log out, log in. Yeah, you know, that one. Let's look at these phrasal verbs in more detail. Sign up, to commit, to register. The champions signed up a new striker. Don't forget to sign up for English lessons. Sign in, to register upon arrival. Like for example, in a hotel. To log in. We signed in at the hotel very quickly. You must sign in before you use the computer. Sign out, to close, to log out. Don't forget to sign out of your computer after work. You can sign out any book from the library. Please sign out before you exit the building. Sign away, to give away your rights. This basically means that you can't claim anything of your property or benefit from it. Example, he signed away his rights to the book from the very beginning. Another phrasal verb similar to sign away is sign over, as in sign over your rights. Sign on, to agree to participate, to enlist. The boss signed on to the new project. That means that he agreed with the new project, even if he doesn't do anything with it. He just agreed that you or his team can do it. He signed on for 4 years in the army. Wow, that's a long time. This is similar to sign up, to enlist. Now, let's check out the difference between sign in and log in, sign out and log out. First, when we use a product or a service, we're talking here in computer terms, first we need to sign up. Then, to use the service, we need to sign in or log in. And once we're done using the service for the moment, for the time that we're using it, we sign out or log out. There is basically no difference. In fact, if you look at Facebook or Google, they use different terms for their services. For Facebook is log in, and for Google is sign in. For Facebook is log out. For Google is sign out. So when you're using these two phrasal verbs, choose the one that you feel more comfortable with. So there is no need to be too confused about it. You can use any of those two. You can use either one of them. All right, I hope that helps. Now, let's do the quiz and test your knowledge. If you're getting value out of this lesson, remember to smash that like button. And of course, you can always subscribe. It doesn't take much to do it. It will help me a lot. And remember to check out the description below for more lessons and quizzes. And a lot of extra little stuff. Let's do the quiz. The quiz has 10 questions. Good luck, and I hope you do really well. And let me know how you do. How was the quiz? How did you do? I hope you did really well. How about a little phrasal verb challenge? Write in the comment section below a sentence using any of the phrasal verbs we have studied. How about that? Can you do it? I know you can. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Remember to support English Lessons 101 by liking, sharing, and subscribing. This is your teacher Victor. Catch you later. Bye.